Hi, and welcome to our channel. On this video we are going to show you the most important things to do when you get a new laptop, which will help your computer run at its best. Whether you have just bought a new laptop to replace an old one, or upgrade it, there are some things you should do right away when you get a new laptop which will help ensure the best performance for your laptop no matter which operating system it runs. 1. Update the operating system. Whether you bought your laptop from a brick-and-mortar store or online, it likely sat around for several months after leaving the factory. One of the first things to do with a new laptop is to install any existing operating system updates. This gets you the latest feature and makes sure your system is secure. It's important to do this first, so that if the update adds new features, you can configure them during the setup process. 2. Remove any bloatware. Bloatware is unwanted or unnecessary software that comes pre-installed on your operating system. These apps are often useless, plus they waste drive space and system resources. Windows laptop manufacturers are notorious for this, whereas bloatware is rarely a concern on Mac, Linux, and Chrome OS laptops. You should open your System app menu and uninstall this unwanted softwares. 3. Review antivirus software. Windows 10 comes with Microsoft Defender built in, which is good enough for most people. If you want some extra protection, you can pair it with other strong computer security tools. Mac and Linux machines don't include an antivirus program out of the box. Careful browsing and a bit of common sense should protect you on both of these platforms, but you can install Mac antivirus software or an antivirus for Linux for additional security. 4. Create Restore Point. This is one of the most important things to do after installing all the necessary drivers and applications. Restore Point comes to your rescue in case Windows gets corrupted or some software drivers are not working. You can easily recover the operating system to the date you have created a Restore Point. To create a Restore Point, right-click on this PC or my computer on the desktop and click Property. Now click on System Protection and create a System Restore Point. 5. Optimize your laptop's power settings. Since laptops are all about portability, maximizing battery life should be a priority. A few simple tweaks can result in a difference of hours between charges, so optimizing the power preferences is an important step with a new laptop. The most important change is to reduce the display brightness, as keeping the screen extremely bright is one of the biggest factors in battery drain. However, making it too dim could cause eye fatigue, so test out some levels to find a comfortable balance between the extremes. 6. Configure automated backups. Before long, your laptop will be full of documents, projects, photos, and all kinds of other personal data. What happens if it suddenly stops working or you drop it? You'd lose all that data, which is a terrible fate. Set up a backup plan on your laptop to protect your data in case of any damage. 7. Set up cloud storage syncing. You're nearly done, but there are still more things to do on your new laptop. In addition to a proper backup, setting up cloud storage will make your life easier if you work on multiple devices. Cloud storage services, like Dropbox and Google Drive, sync anything you place inside them to the company's servers. You can then access those files from any device where you're also signed in. That means you can easily grab a file you were editing on your desktop while you're out working on your laptop. 8. Customize system settings. Now that all the maintenance-related tasks on your new laptop checklist are out of the way, it's time to make the laptop your own. This is the time to tweak the system theme, desktop wallpaper, taskbar layout, and other personalization options. This settings varies from person to person. 9. Install your favorite apps. Now that your laptop is looking fresh, it's time to install all the apps you need. Depending on your operating system, you might find these on the Microsoft Store, Mac App Store, Chrome Web Store, or a repository of Linux apps. Many apps are only available to download from the developer's website. 10. Start using a VPN. A virtual private network may sound confusing if you're not familiar with the idea, but using one is simple. In most cases, you just download and run an app, then sign in with your account. The app encrypts your network connection, giving you more protection against eavesdroppers, allowing you to access region-blocked content, and making it harder to trace web activity back to you. Now you know what to do when you get a new laptop. This preparation takes a bit of time to do correctly, but will make your time with the laptop smoother and hopefully increase the lifespan of your machine. 2. If you found this content helpful, Give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.